Everywhere today, people are talking about artificial intelligence. But despite the hype, legal professionals are looking for real, impactful use cases beyond more efficient search. The time has arrived for an autonomous AI solution that eliminates the manual, tedious drudgery legal teams often face. Think about when a subpoena hits your desk. Usually, a legal professional opens a PDF and manually types the same information over and over, once into an Excel sheet, and again into legal software like Passport, and so on. Then comes the tool fatigue. You're jumping between 5 different programs, email, spreadsheets, and PDF editors, just to finish one task. By the time you manually email various departments for records and set reminders to chase them, you've lost a full work week every month just to data entry. This manual, time-consuming, headache-inducing process drains up to 90 minutes for every single subpoena request. Enter Exterro Subpoena Manager. Exterro Subpoena Manager executes autonomously, orchestrating work across your entire legal tech stack, from email and HR records to document storage, into a single, unified brain. The new process? You upload the document, and that's it. Subpoena Manager instantly recognizes it's a subpoena, because it sees and correlates all your data at once. It eliminates the need for you to hunt and gather across different systems. Subpoena Manager is an agentic AI tool that instantly extracts the court, case numbers, and account details. It understands your internal language and matter codes, ingesting requests from communication platforms like CT Corp, CSC, and email providers. Through autonomous execution, the Subpoena Manager stops the endless follow-up. It uses automated reminders to keep all responsible parties moving without you ever having to chase them. And when management needs a report, intuitive dashboards provide total workload and turnaround times in real time. There is no new system to learn. Subpoena Manager meets your team in Slack, Teams, and email. A process that was an afternoon killer is now 5 minutes of review. Handle 10 times the volume without 10 times the headcount. Manual subpoena work is over. The road to autonomous AI execution starts now with Exterro Subpoena Manager.